Nature is full of surprises. When it comes to survival, some animals have evolved truly unbelievable defense mechanisms. From exploding ants to shape-shifting sea creatures, these adaptations are as extraordinary as they are clever. Stick around as we explore some of the most fascinating survival tactics in the wild. Let's begin with the exploding ants, found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia. These ants are truly selfless protectors of their colony. When faced with a predator, they sacrifice themselves in the most dramatic way possible. They literally explode. These ants have special glands filled with a sticky, toxic substance. When the situation becomes dire, they rupture their bodies, releasing this substance onto their enemies. The toxic glue immobilizes the attacker, giving the rest of the colony time to escape. It's an incredible act of bravery and self-sacrifice. Could you imagine having a defense mechanism so extreme? Nature sure knows how to surprise us. Moving underwater, let's talk about the cuttlefish, a creature that takes camouflage to an entirely new level. These masters of disguise use specialized skin cells called chromatophores, which allow them to change color, texture, and even patterns almost instantly. This incredible ability helps them blend perfectly into their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to predators. But their camouflage isn't just for hiding. Cuttlefish can also use their color-changing abilities to communicate with each other or to confuse predators during a quick getaway. Some even mimic the shapes of other sea creatures to scare off threats. Isn't that amazing? The cuttlefish is truly one of the ocean's great illusionists. Now, let's shift to the desert and meet the horned lizard, a creature with one of the strangest defense mechanisms in the animal kingdom. When threatened, the horned lizard takes things up a notch. It shoots blood from its eyes. Yes, you heard that right. The lizard can pressurize the blood vessels around its eyes to squirt a stream of blood at predators. This blood isn't just gross. It's mixed with chemicals that taste awful to canines like coyotes. Imagine a predator's surprise when their meal fights back with a face full of blood. It's bizarre, it's effective, and it's uniquely wild. Next, we dive back into the ocean to learn about the sea cucumber, an odd but fascinating creature. When attacked, the sea cucumber employs a defense strategy that's both strange and genius. It ejects its internal organs. That's right, it expels parts of its intestines to confuse or deter predators. The attacker, startled or distracted, leaves the sea cucumber alone, giving it a chance to escape. And here's the kicker: those organs grow back in just a few weeks. This adaptation not only showcases the sea cucumber's resilience, but also highlights the endless creativity of nature. Isn't that incredible? Now let's visit the opossum, a creature that's perfected the art of playing dead. When faced with danger, the opossum doesn't run. It puts on an Oscar-worthy performance. It collapses, sticks out its tongue, and even emits a foul odor that mimics the smell of a decaying animal. Predators, believing the opossum is already dead and spoiled, lose interest and move on. This strategy is both brilliant and hilarious. Could you imagine fooling a predator into thinking you were unappetizing? The opossum certainly wins the award for the most dramatic defense mechanism. Finally, we can't forget the electric eel, one of the most electrifying creatures in the animal kingdom. Found in murky South American waters, the electric eel uses its ability to generate electricity as both a defense mechanism and a hunting tool. It can produce shocks of up to 600 volts, enough to stun predators and prey alike. These shocks can even temporarily paralyze a larger animal, allowing the eel to escape or attack. What's even cooler is how they use small electrical pulses to navigate and detect their environment. Talk about a shocking talent. Nature's defense mechanisms are as diverse as the creatures themselves. From ants that explode to lizards that shoot blood, these adaptations showcase the ingenuity of evolution and the resilience of life. Each of these animals has found a unique way to survive and thrive in a world full of challenges. Which defense mechanism amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife content. Stay tuned for our next adventure as we dive deeper into the wonders of the natural world.